how to make a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is my completed website. At the head of the website can be seen a navigation bar that contains Home and Books tab. Home tab contains the description of my website and the Books tab showing the list of books that are available. As can be seen, the footer of the page contains contact information and the details of the website's owner. First, to create the website earlier, we need to create folder. This is the folder that I have, which images folder that have been divided for Home and Books tab. Other folder that I created is styles folder where I'm going to place my CSS tab. Next steps, we're going to start with HTML documents. First, you need to open Notepad, and there I've already pasted the structure of HTML for my home page. First, we're going to save it by pressing Ctrl S and name it with home.html. Make sure to save in designated folder earlier. Next, we're going to name it as home, which represents as the title of the web page. Next, on the navigation side, I'm going to write the website name. Moving on to the header, where here you can write with big title or like shown in picture, where I wrote what is Bookworm Boulevard Club is. Next, we will start with the description of the club I have, continue with paragraph below that talk about the club activities, and last paragraph where I wrote on the encouragement to join the club. Next, on the footer section, I put on copyright marks and under it contact information. Next, we're going to create HTML documents for Books tab. For this document, the difference was only at the main section, where on homepage there's a lot more wording, but here more on pictures in grid. Hence, I just copied the upper and lower section from homepage HTML to HTML for Books tab. Make sure to save it as books.html as to make sure it's accessible through web browser. Next, we're going to insert images starting with homepage. Make sure to name it according to the folder created. Then copy paste the name of the image and paste it on the notepad with the image file type, which is JPG. Same goes with books page. First, name it as books on title side. Then at the top of the page, there's going to be header where it wrote as list of books. The step to put on image is the same as before, but again, make sure to write it according to the folder created. Then copy paste the name of the image and paste it on the notepad with the image file type, which is JPG. Repeat the step with different pictures for coding below too. After with HTML, now we're going to style the website. First, create a new tab of Notepad. Here, I already pasted the default CSS of a website I refer to. Here's we're going to start creating the layout of the web page. What is layout? In website creation, layout refers to how everything is arranged on a page, like where, text, images, and menu scope. It's about making sure it looks good, is easy to read, and works well on different devices. First, on top here is where we change font for the entire HTML. Here's for next the part for styles of body elements and to make it full page. Next is the style for navigation bar. Here's to make the navigation bar big or small. The color of navigation bar, where we can find the code color and paste it. For me, I choose black color to make it look elegant. Here, where is the font color for the navigation bar, where I took white, where contrasting from black color background just now. Here is a try and error for image sizes. I put 768 pixel, which an image size that fit my home page. Below here is the background color for my home page, where I choose this code color which looks like cream. Following below is the style for the header part, where I'm going to make it center, bold and italic to make it serve as a title. Next is the style for the footer section. Lastly, don't forget to save it in the styles folder with home.css name. We're going to make CSS for books page, where here the navigation section and footer section style will be the same as home page, hence we can just copy paste it. The difference is at the content section, which is the images grid. As can be seen, this is the website without the connection of CSS with HTML. Here how to link HTML with CSS, make sure to write the correct file name. Moving forward to JavaScript, here's I'm going to create a structures. What is structures? Structures is the one that determine how different pages and sections of the website are interconnected. Here's what I did was to ease users can click on home and books web page through navigation box only. I copy paste it in the books page too, as the design for both web page are the same. And from that, our website is done. That's all from me. Thank you.